Okay, welcome to Screen Capture Recording for Windows. My name is Jerry Kubuske. I'm a teacher here at Cathedral High School, and I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial as a part of our 13 for 13 technology sessions on how to actually do a screen capture, which is what I'm doing right now, using our Windows side. And believe it or not, everything you need is actually already installed into your computer for you. So I'm going to go to All Programs, and I'm going to go to what's called Microsoft Expression. I'm going to open that folder, and you can see it gives me all kinds of different options here. But I'm going to be using two things. I'm going to be using something called the Expressions Encoder 3. But before I can use that, I need to do my screen capture. And so I'm going to click right there, Microsoft Expression Encoder 3 Screen Capture. Now, you can see my little rectangle I have up here. I have some buttons. This red microphone means that I have my audio turned on, which is good because I want to be able to talk to you as I'm doing this. If I want to use the webcam instead of necessarily doing a screen capture, there's that right there. You can see what that would look like. Hello. Okay, these are my settings. This is like all the different things I can change. Frame bit rate and quality, you probably want to leave that same. Make sure your quality is set to 100. I do want to have the mouse available for you to look at. Here's my cameras and my audio. These are my hotkeys. We'll talk about them here in a second. These are going to be how I start and stop and pause. And that all looks good, so I'll press OK. Now, once I'm ready to go, I press my red circle, and I get some red lines. Now, these red lines are going to be my actual recording area. If I just want the whole desktop, I would just click once and I would be done. If I only want a certain section, like maybe you only want the kids to see the actual PowerPoint slides, then I'm going to highlight just a rectangle here and pull down and open that up. Now, I want the entire screen, so I'm going to change that, which you can do the same thing. I'm going to change that and pull it all the way down so you can see what I'm doing. Once I have it the way I like it, I press the red circle here. Now, what this is going to warn you is that this rectangle here is within these red lines. Okay, so this is going to have to disappear while I'm talking, so it doesn't show up on my screen recording. So what it's warning me is that I can pause and stop the recording without actually having to press the buttons that it would be available to me here by pressing the pause button, which I've set as the media play pause, which is the F8 key. And I've set my stop as the media previous track, which is the F7 key. You can change yours to whatever you'd like using that hotkey option on those settings. I'm good to go. Here we go in 3, 2, whoops. Hello world. This is a live screen capture using Windows Microsoft Expression Encoder 3. F7 to stop. Okay, you hear that stop. That noise means that I've stopped my recording. It's going to generate a preview for me. A second. Here it is. All right, let's take a look at how that turned out. Hello world. This is a live screen capture using Windows Microsoft Expression Encoder 3. Now, if I like that, if I'm good with it, I'm going to press this purple button over here, which is Launch Expression Encoder. If I don't want to mess with encoding right now, you could just save it, but usually you just want to do that right away. And if I don't like it and I want to start all over, I'm going to press the trash can here to throw that away. But I liked what I have. So I'm going to save this. Now this is just a file that only Microsoft Expression can use. This isn't something you can actually go back and watch or show to your kids just yet or post on YouTube or anything like that. We have to encode this into a different file type. Like right now you can see it's an XESC file. We got to turn it into a WAV so you can actually watch it, or a WMV, excuse me. So I'm going to call this trial, let's see, 3, and I'll save that. And now if I give it 1 second, it's actually going to open Microsoft Expression Encoder 3 for me. So you can see it's already done. And then down here in my tray, in my media content, is my actual video. Here it is right here, trial 3. And I'm going to turn it into a WMV file, which is what I want. Now there's different options over here about output, enhancements, blah, 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 blah. I usually don't mess with those. I'm just ready to encode. So I'm going to go down here that says Begin Encoding Job. And I'm going to press Encode. Now, it's going to take a little time to do the encoding if you have a longer video. Since mine's pretty short, it flies through it pretty quickly. Not a problem. That is done. Okay, so now if I look, okay, now I have a new folder up here, okay, created. If I open this up, here it is. Here's trial 3, and now it's a WMV file, which I can use to upload to YouTube. I can just show kids directly from here, whatever I want. But now you can see this is a fully functioning WMV file. So that's it. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me or the rest of the technology team. My email is jkubuske@gocathedral.com. Good luck. Hope it all works out for you.